Hi there, it's Jodi. Welcome to episode 22 of Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to talk about some shapes and how to layer them. So I have chosen a couple of dies from the Tasteful Labels dies. One of my favorites. It's actually retiring, so if you don't have it, it's a great one to invest in. But I've cut out a label from both Basic White and Bermuda Bay in each of those. You can also do this with one of our punches. Just real easily pop one that's any color and then one that's more neutral. And the technique is the same. So what you're going to do is take the colored one, the one that'll go on the back, and you're just going to cut down the center. And same thing here. Cut down the center. And finally, this one, just right down the center. So now this might look a little strange, but what you're going to do with it is really, really simple. So I'll take this one first. I'm going to put some adhesive along the back of this die, of this shape. And then I'm just going to set this on here. And do the same thing on this side. So even though in this shape, I only have one die, you saw it was the exact same thing cut out of just two different colors of paper. It's the exact same size. But when I take it, cut it in half, and then just kind of spread it out on the back, it's the illusion that I have two different sizes that I did this layering with. So that's just a really quick and easy little way to add a layer behind using the exact same shape. Whether it's a die or a handheld punch, same type of thing. You cut the one in half and then do your layering. Isn't that fun and easy? So easy to do. I wanted to show you one quick card where I'd done this, so you can see the finished look. So this is another label from the Tasteful Dies. And I just took it, cut it in half, the pool party one in half, spread that out, and you can see how it is on a finished card. So that's what I have for you today. Just a really quick and easy tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.